carbon monoxide in you. Listen here, kids. There are many people in the world that believe that carbon monoxide is our enemy. Let's look into the science of it. If you can have science, you can have reality. So many people that think smoking is bad for you don't realize the benefits of carbon monoxide. It says on every pack of cigarettes you will ever buy. Maybe not. They switch their words. They talk about pregnancy and shit like that. But one of the things they say is carbon monoxide. This product produces carbon monoxide. And so immediately, because they were forced to put that on there, you believe carbon monoxide is a problem. It's not true. What do people fear most in the world today? Cancer. What does an excess of oxygen consumption produce? Cancer. Free radicals. They just burn it up and the body just goes ape shit. The cancer in our bodies loves oxygen. So what it amounts to is we have too much oxygen in the atmosphere. How do you block out the oxygen in the atmosphere? You include carbon monoxide, which binds to hemoglobin, which stifles the consumption of oxygen. If you smoke, you will find that you're still getting plenty of oxygen in your system. You're going to be just fine.
Oh, that was very funny.
And so, we put carbon monoxide into our system, which tells us everything's going to be okay. So for anybody to say it's safer to smoke weed than to smoke cigarettes, we're missing the point. We need to eliminate oxygen. We need to find this base point. Tobacco has been the strength of religions for years, whether it be the Native Americans in North America or those who supported Quetzalcoatl in South America. Smoking a cigar keeps the snakes away. What are the snakes? They're that thing within us that is a cancer. It will rise between every aspect of our body, looking for something that it can attack. We need to keep carbon monoxide binding hemoglobin so as not to produce too many free radicals, which are created by burning oxygen. Smoking is good for you.